Question: what personal experience or turning point made you realize that this career path is right for you? The things that made me realize that this career path is right for me are that during senior high school, when I took ABM Strand, I realized how much I enjoy solving business-related problems and analyzing numbers. That experience sparked my interest and made me confident that pursuing a career in accounting is the right path for me. Number 2. Describe a real challenge you faced in school or in life that taught you something important about yourself. How did it shape the way you work or communicate with others? A real challenge I faced in school was when all our major subjects exam were scheduled on the same week. I felt really pressured and exhausted trying to study everything at once, but that experience taught me the importance of time management and staying organized. Since then, I learned to plan ahead, set priorities, and communicate better with my classmates. For study sessions or group work, it made me more disciplined and cooperative when working with others. Number 3 question: what accomplishment, academic, personal, or voluntarily related, are you most proud of and why does it matter to you? The accomplishment I'm most proud of is graduating with a degree of a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. It matters to me because it represents all the hard works, sleepless nights, and sacrifices I made to reach this goal. It also reminds me that I'm capable of overcoming challenges and staying committed to my dreams, no matter how difficult the journey gets. The last question is: how do you see this job helping you grow personally and professionally in the next few years? I see this job helping me grow by improving my accounting skills, gaining real work experience, and building confidence and handling responsibilities that will prepare me for bigger career opportunities.